On May 7th, I given buy call on Titagarh rail systems in Quora Trade Telegram channel at the price 1094. Surprisingly, after I posted in Telegram, I saw the one update from international brokerage firm Morgan Stanley buy rating on Titagarh rail systems also confirms once again our suggestion in Telegram channel. From January, it is corrected nearly 33% and taken support at 200 days moving average price. In near future, it may go up to 1500 rupees level from at current market price 1114 rupees. Today Nifty 50 closed as flat condition. Public sector index Nifty PSE strong rebound after 3 days correction over 5.5%. Today it is closed at 9966 with 2.39% gain in a day. This index exactly taken support at breakout price 9731 level. After breakout it is retested again at breakout price, moving strong uptrend from present level. So we consider public sector stocks like PFC, REC, GAIL, HAL, SAIL, BPCL, BHAL, Power Grid. These are going to bullish in coming week.